What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know we have artists, entrepreneurs, and working moms here to become what? Future millionaires. Today we're going to vlog because I'm so excited. It is a very special day for me and my family. It's my son's birthday. Yes, he is turning 3 and we're only spending $300, but he's gonna have such an amazing time. So let's get into it. It is Monse's birthday! Happy birthday, Monse! And he has cupcakes this morning. We want you guys to come along with us as we celebrate my son's birthday today. So, let's get into it. A monster truck. Some type of storage. Go, birthday boy, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go, birthday boy, it's your birthday. Oh man, you're doing such a great job. Do you need help? Okay, let's turn it over this way. There we go. Uh-oh, I hear something. All right, what's in here, buddy? Go crazy. What is it? It's some poor monster trucks. Oh, wow, come on. Let us go. Whoa, that's the grave digger. You got the trailer. Whoa. Oh, wait, it sounds like it's something in here.
Yeah, dang. All the way to the west.
I had to customize him his own monster truck birthday party shirt. Mommy and Daddy got one too that I bought from Amazon, but I customized this one just for him. The first stop is the mall. Moms and dads, the easiest, simplest way to spend less money is to go to the mall and have them play in the playscapes. They love it and it's so inexpensive. He is going to run around this place and he's going to burn so much energy, and I'm telling you, it's going to be one of the highlights of his entire day for his birthday. And then we're just gonna stop at these little games. Most of them didn't work, but when you're dealing with a toddler, even them just getting in it is one of the highlights as well. Our next stop was Build-A-Bear. If you haven't checked out my video about cheap things to do for toddlers on their birthdays, please check that out right here. I gave you some tips on what to do that is inexpensive for toddlers. The Build-A-Bear only costs the amount of your child's age. So yes, we were definitely going to Build-A-Bear to get him a $3 Build-A-Bear, and he was obviously, as you can see, super excited, wanted to skip the line. He was like ready to get his Build-A-Bear, but he stayed patiently, he waited, and he was just trying so hard to keep himself occupied while he waited for his Build-A-Bear. Isn't she so cute? He found a little friend. Next is actually getting the bear that he wanted. He was so excited about picking the different bears. Now, I must say, the birthday bear is not the ones that those that you're seeing there. The Build-A-Bear birthday one is a standard little bear that has a birthday on the foot of it, and it was okay because he was even unsure on what he really wanted anyways. You like the red one? The Yoda?
Yoda, okay.
Yoda? What do you want, Monse? You want to add a sound?
You gotta let them hear what the sound is.
Like how do you, oh, and smells?
Smells are these first.
Next was getting the sound added. I didn't record him doing the sound, but he said 1, 2, 3 deuces, which we thought was super cute, and he added that to his bed.
Sometimes it's the sometimes it's can be.
Ooh, they got a birthday cake smell. A strawberry. Oh, and hear what it does? Okay, thank you. Next was filling the bear with stuffing. She was super cute and nice to him, and he enjoyed this so much. Oh my God, this was so precious. Look at him hugging the bear. He absolutely loved his teddy bear, but now it was time to add clothes to it, and he was more than willing to spend more money. So just be cautious of that. The bear is $3 or however old is your child, but you're gonna pay more for the clothes and stuff. Overall, I was satisfied with our purchase. The bear did cost $43, but it would have cost us $95. So next stop, we headed to High Velocity Sports. It is in Canton, Michigan, and it's not typically a birthday party, so we were able to get a very reasonable price. This is our monster truck birthday party, and this is the setup, guys. I'm a big on healthy treats, so I made sure that I had some healthy snacks for the kids. I made these cupcakes myself and added just some cookies on top. The cake I got from Kroger and added some cars on top of it. I thought it was a very cool theme, and he loved it. Parker, that's D'Angelo's best granddaughter. Martell's mom. What's wrong with your hand? You hurt your hand? You okay? Is that him? Yeah, because he was okay with myself. He got it. This was the pirate ship that was huge. There were 8 bounce houses and slides in this building. Guys, everybody had such an amazing time. Even the adults. My 65-year-old dad was bouncing in the bounce houses. I was even in the bounce houses with the kids. You only get an hour of play, but when I tell you, you don't need more than an hour of play because the kids are worn out. This was just what we needed to wear the toddlers out and have an amazing, memorable experience.
It's real. You just gotta get that little push.
Now, I was trying to engage with my son during this party, and he was not having it. Any other time, we have so much fun together, but today he was like, "Mommy, I'm playing with my friends, like, be gone." And I respected it. I didn't pressure him too much, but I was like, "Come on, like, I want to hang out with you. I want to play with you too." Such a new mom thing, right? He asked for a monster truck birthday party, and that is what we gave him. He wanted a bounce house, and we gave him that and more. So overall, we feel very successful in his birthday party, and we did not go over budget, guys. We only spent $300 on the cakes, on the shirts, on the bounce house, and everything. So it was a success.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monse. Happy birthday to you.
Gonna blow out the candles?
Hooray!
Ooh, blow it out, Monse.
And he had an amazing birthday party.
That's the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and in the comments, let me know the cool things that you do with your toddler that are inexpensive and easy and fun to do that will be a huge memory in your family's life. And I will see you next time, and you already know, I never give up. Don't ever give up. Never give up.